Welcome to Product Critique, where we give you the real scoop on top-rated products that deserve your attention. And today, we're diving into what we're calling the best wire heart wreath you can get your hands on, the Upstout 2-pack heart-shaped wire wreath frame. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just getting into DIY decor, this product is the kind of tool that brings your creative visions to life with elegance and ease. Right out of the box, you get two 12-inch heart-shaped wire frames, perfectly sized for making beautiful wreaths for any season or occasion. The build quality is where this wreath frame really shines. Made of steel wire coated in dark green PVC, it's not just strong, it's built to last through multiple craft projects and seasons. The 4-ring design is welded securely, offering a sturdy base for everything from floral arrangements to fabric and ribbon wraps. Even better, the inner 2 rings are slightly elevated, giving your decorations added dimension and helping your materials spread more evenly. What makes this product really stand out is how beginner-friendly it is without compromising on professional-level quality. Each package includes 10 bonus twist ties, a simple addition that makes a big difference when you're attaching materials quickly and securely. No fuss, no extra trips to the craft store. When it comes to versatility, the Upstout heart frame is in a league of its own. It works beautifully for holiday-themed decor like Christmas or Valentine's Day, and also shines for weddings, baby showers, or even as year-round door decor. You can decorate it with faux florals, mesh ribbon, greenery, or even ornaments and lights. Just remove the decorations and reuse the frame again and again. That's eco-friendly, sustainable crafting done right. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for mounting on doors, walls, or anywhere you want to add a custom touch. The dark green finish blends in effortlessly with most foliage and florals, while still providing enough contrast to highlight brighter decorative elements. For those of you who love giving handcrafted gifts, these frames offer the perfect foundation. You can create a heart-shaped wreath that's completely personalized and gift-ready for birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays. It's thoughtful, beautiful, and best of all, handmade by you. So if you're ready to take your crafting to the next level or just want a reliable, attractive frame to bring your wreath ideas to life, the Upstout 2-pack heart-shaped wire wreath frame is the best choice out there. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you're inspired to start your next DIY masterpiece or just want to stock up on quality craft supplies, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another review. See you next time.